this is Renee from Little Village Homestead. And you are?
Stella.
And we're going to bake today, aren't we? We're going to have a ball, right? And today we are going to bake old-fashioned sour cream sugar cookies. Yep, old-fashioned sour cream sugar cookies. And we are making these for Miss
Cammy.
Yep, Miss Cammy. These are for you today. So, hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, friends, we are back. And these old-fashioned sour cream sugar cookies are wonderful. Cammy, you'll love them. Anyway, I've got 3 cups of flour in this bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to put that right in there, right, Miss Stella?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to mix that together?
Yes.
Okay, mix that all together, just like so. There you go. We're just gonna, whoops, we're just gonna mix it around a little bit. That's good. I should have got a bigger bowl.
Yes.
That's all right. We got that. Okay, that's good. We're gonna set that aside with our scoop. Or whisk. Oh, that's all right. Don't worry about that. All right, we're going to bring this up. You blowing on it. You're so cute. We're going to bring this up to us and make sure this is off.
Sugar.
We're going to plug this in. Oh, who doesn't love sugar? Don't stick fingers in it. You silly. Our hands are all clean. We got to keep them that way. Dolly. Okay, we're going to put 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, soft butter. And the best way to do this, Stella, is leave the butter out overnight, right? And then it gets real soft. And then it makes nice for mixing. Okay, we're going to set those aside.
Need those things.
Oh yeah, we got that right here. Okay. So, with this, we are going to... We're going to cream together the butter and a 1.5 cups of sugar. That's 1 cup of butter, a 1.5 cups of sugar. Let's set this aside.
Sour cream.
Yep, a cup of sour cream. We're going to put that right in here too. Everything goes in.
Do we have to crack the eggs?
Yeah, we will have to crack the eggs.
Right in the bowl?
Right into the bowl, yep. And little Miss Stella, you crack the eggs. Let me finish getting this all out of here. I don't want to waste none of that. Okay. Oh, these are going to be such good Christmas cookies. Set that aside.
Cracking an egg.
Yep, 2 eggs. You got to crack it. There you go. Crack it good. Here, let me move this. There. There you go. Whoops. You got a shell in there. My fingers are clean. So, oh no, that's not a shell. That's a piece of... We're good. Set that aside.
You do that one.
Now, crack it on there. Crack it on the counter. A good crack. Yep. Now a little bit. Okay. Perfect. You did beautiful. All right. So now we got that. Oh, use your apron. I'll wash it. Okay. I just got all over my fingers.
You're silly.
I don't have a towel in here. A dish rag.
I cracked my tooth. Then I cracked my tooth.
And we're also going to put the vanilla. You cracked your tooth. How'd you crack your tooth? On a chocolate? It's hard, huh?
Yes.
We're also going to put, now they don't normally do this. They normally do this in steps, but this is how I do it. I put all this in here and just cream it all together. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to put that in there and we're just going to slowly mix this. And a little bit higher when it gets mixed in. Okay, we're going to let it mix like that. See how nice that's mixing? Okay, we're going to shut the camera off and let it mix for about 2 minutes, and then we'll be back. Tell them we'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Okay, friends, we're back, and this is perfect. This
Linda.
this turned out nice. You can't see that inside my bowl. But anyway, we got that. So now we're going to slowly add our flour mixture to this. I'll just do like a cup at a time.
Give me some. Add some.
Not yet. I'll show you. Okay, we're going to put that on and just mix that slow. And when that gets mixed in a little bit, then we add some more. Okay, you add that. Let me lift it up. Okay, pour it in. Yep, beat it against. Yep, you got it. Hold on to it. Mix it a little bit more. These are smelling good, aren't they? These are going to be yummy. Nani's going to like these. Okay, now we're just going to add this. Cammy will like these too. Yes, you're right. Can't forget Cammy. Okay.
Get bigger.
If we knew where she lived, we'd send her some, wouldn't we? Yeah, she'd love that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, we're going to give that another good mix in.
I just want to stick my finger in there.
You just want to stick your finger in there? Not yet. A little bit more here. Look at how beautiful that dough is. They'll see that in a minute. Okay, that is all mixed together. Beautiful.
Can you lick that?
No, but you can hand me that white rubber spatula. Careful. Lift up on it. There you go. You can have this when I'm all done with it. How's that?
Yeah. But I want that part.
Well, you can't have all that. You can have the beater. Oh, okay. You're all right. Gotta sample it, I guess, huh?
Mm-hmm.
These are really, really soft. And these are going to be very soft. There you are, Miss Stella. I live for this moment. Oh, yum. Okay. So I want to take this bowl off here, unplug this machine, slide it back out of the way. Okay. Oh, you got to move your chair. Okay, because I got to get I got to move the camera, friends. I've got to get my tray out here. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, this is how beautiful this dough turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice and blended and beautiful. And I'm just going to go through and scrape down the sides and mix the bottom real well, just in case there's some on the bottom. Okay. Now this, we got that up, but we are also going to need to refrigerate this. Can you go get me a shower cap?
Where's the shower cap?
And the pantry and the closet. You know that little white bucket?
Yeah.
We're going to have to refrigerate this for about an hour before we put it on our trays. Don't ask, I wasn't thinking. Anyway, so we're going to refrigerate that, and after an hour we'll be back. Okay, friends, we got our old-fashioned sour cream cookie dough out of the fridge, and we are just going to, it's kind of soft batter, so you gotta get out of there. There we go. We're just gonna line it up on here. I'm gonna make these just a little smaller than I normally do because I'm putting these in baskets, so. And they spread, so you want them farther apart.
Hello. Maybe cookies? Yeah.
There they go.
What?
This is a beautiful dough. It's just sticky. Sticky to work with. Okay, so we'll get this. Put that one over there a little farther. Spread these out a little bit because these will spread. Okay.
I want one of those, and I want something like it goes up
These are tedious. Come on. There we go. Okay. Last one here.
like
Okay. Now I got 12 of them on there. And I'm just going to I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on them. And that's it. Now you can do cinnamon sugar, which would be lovely. But I'm just doing a little red. I colored some sugar with some red food coloring. And that's what I use for sprinkles. Or for sanding sugar, I should say. And then when these flatten out, they'll be beautiful. And they're going to bake in the oven, 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. Probably more like 8 to 10 because of this size. Depends on how big you make them, you know. But I'll probably bake these between 8 and 10 minutes. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to put them in the oven. And when they're done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how nice they turn out. Okay, friends, I just got these out of the oven. They are beautiful, and I want to show you. The bottoms are just lightly browned, and they're gorgeous. Absolutely. And look at the beautiful little sanding sugar on top of them. Now you can even put nuts on top. You can use these. You can make them a little bigger and frost them. You can do a lot with these. You can even add some chocolate chips and walnuts to them. They're wonderful. You can do all kinds of stuff with that dough. So, there you have it, friends. I'm going to get busy and finish baking. Thanks for watching.